the Soundcore Liberty 4 NC. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Liberty 4 NC by Soundcore. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide, USB-C charging cable, and an assortment of ear tips. The earbuds features 10 hours of listening time, 50 hours with the case. Uses Bluetooth 5.3, multi-point connection, high-res audio and LDAC codec, touch control and app integration, ANC, transparency, and low latency game mode, USB-C and wireless charging, and it's IPX4 water resistant. The case is small and compact and it's very light, and there are 5 colors to choose from. It has a matte finish all around. On the front, you have the Soundcore branding, and you also have the status LED and pairing button. On the bottom, you have the USB-C charge port. To access the earbuds, just press the button and the cover flips up. Earbuds are easy to grip and held on by magnets. And this has wireless charging. You can see it here on the charger activate. Taking a look at the earbuds, it has a short stem design. On the inner face, you have the ear markings along with the charging contacts. On the outer face, it has a dark matte finish along with the surface for the touch controls. And you also have the microphones. Here they are side by side. Navigating playback, calls, ANC, and transparency is just a few taps or a long press. This has app integration as mentioned earlier. Once connected to the app, you can see the battery levels, toggle the different ANC modes, and transparency. You also have access to EQ presets or customize your own. You can also customize the touch control settings. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there is no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
On the edge of this moment, holding out for something golden. Found a light on a hill. I was waking up, looking for peace in a world that's divided. Gotta hold on tight when you find it. I was turning around, I was waking up. You're pulling me right in, rotate to you again. I'll live the rest of my life by your side.
Yeah, trying to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Yeah, oh man, I got a lot of goals. Stack that bread and by my nose. Anything is possible. Yeah, trying to get a lot of dough and dirt through all the obstacles, cause anything is possible. Oh man, I got a lot of goals. Stack that bread and by my nose. Anything is possible. Hey, I grind to get a lot of.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Soundcore Liberty 4 NC microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. They were comfortable and seated well in my ears. I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals. It's also good to take your time and choose the right ear tips. Build and quality is in line with previous models that Soundcore has produced. It feels solid and durable. The touch controls were a bit sensitive for my liking. I like the multiple color options, app integration, and wireless charging. The noise cancellation was pretty good, and I would say it's in line with many that you would find in this range. The transparency feature when activated was loud and the microphones picked up the surroundings. Now when it comes to sound, the bass was plentiful. Punchy and tight but not overwhelming. Mids and highs were loud and clear and there's good separation. Vocals and instruments do stand out. I would say it leans more towards a brighter sound signature. You do have the option of selecting from several EQ presets or customizing your own. Overall, I think there's good value in these earbuds. It comes with many features and it's priced reasonable. So that is my review of the Soundcore Liberty 4 NC True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.